Okay, as we read this problem, it has all the elements that we would expect to have in a related rates problem. It has dV dt. Notice we're given the formulas for volume and surface area. We're told that the radius is a function of time, and we're told that the height is equal to the diameter. So we need to determine what that means. The diameter, remember, is twice the radius, so we can simply say h equals 2r. So that changes our volume formula from being pi r squared h into simply, we put in our 2r for h and we get 2 pi r cubed. Now we see that we are asked to find dV dt, so immediately we jump in and find the derivative of dV dt. It'll be 3 times 2 is 6 pi r squared dr dt. So we look up here, and that's not any of our answers. All of our answers have ds dt. Well, remember that S stands for surface area, so let's go over and do a little bit of work with that. We can change our surface area formula around also. It's 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r times 2r, because that's what our height is. And if we continue cleaning that up, we get 2 pi r squared plus 4 pi r squared. So that tells us that the surface area is simply 6 pi r squared. Well, we have a ds dt in this particular problem up here, so let's solve for this. ds over dt equals 12 pi r dr over dt. And we're trying to get a dr over dt, ds over dt into our answer over here. We need to somehow get ds over dt into this solution over here. So if we solve this for dr dt, and we can get 1 over 12 pi r, just dividing by 12 pi r, ds over dt equals dr. Excuse me, let's try to write that better. See if we can fix that. Let's try to write this better here. Dr dt. So now if we substitute that in, now we're just going to simply take this, substitute in over here, and we get dV over dt equals 6 pi r squared times 1 over 12 pi r ds dt. So we have our ds dt in there, and now if we begin eliminating what we can eliminate by canceling out, we see that the pi's go away. The r here cancels with one of the r's here, and the 6 cancels with this, leaving a 2. So we have an r in the top, a 2 in the bottom, ds over dt, and that is our final answer for what dv over dt is. And if we look back up here, it is answer choice C.